friends, Jeff here, and welcome to Squadron. Now sometimes you think you've seen it all, and then something happens that just blows you away. Well, it happened to me a couple days ago when my boss tapped me on the shoulder and she put this in my lap. HobbyBoss 1/32 scale B-24 Liberator. Now we all knew that this was coming. I think it was announced a few years ago, but finally, just recently, they pulled the trigger and here we have it. Now, I am pretty well aware with large-scale airplanes, HK, the B-17, my all-time favorite airplane, and also their B-25s. Now they're coming out with the Lancaster. Even Wingnet Wings is dabbing into the 1/32 scale bombers with their edition of the Lancaster. But for HobbyBoss to do this, it's just phenomenal, and especially with the B-24 Liberator. In this day and age, to invest in a tool like this, that is pretty daring and quite a feat. So without further ado, let's see what's in the box. If I can get it open. Now every time, I looked in the box a couple of times, I must admit, I just couldn't resist myself to open it up a few days ago. But every time I open the box and show somebody, I have to laugh, you know. But look at this, look at this, look at the size of this thing. It's just amazing. But what really impressed me is the crispness. I mean, we all know that Trumpeter and HobbyBoss, especially with their earlier models, the panel lines were a little bit maybe oversized, so did the rivets. The riveting was a little bit extreme. But here, I think it's just right. I mean, it's very delicately rendered. So just the look at it, I mean, the shape is there. It looks like a Liberator. But again, the size is just mind-blowing. Of course, here we have the wings. Again, same thing like the fuselage. Very delicate detail, very well rendered. I mean, even the plastic seems to be from very good quality. So that's already a good indication that the rest of the kit will be absolutely fantastic. Here we got the other side of the wings with the ailerons. So here are the props and the cowlings, the engine faces. Now, if I can be a little bit of give a little bit of a critique, the engine faces are a little simple. But again, I'm sure that the aftermarket industry will jump on this, and I'm sure they will supply us with really nice renditions of the engines. But other than that, like the charges, the turbochargers, the propellers, everything looks the part. Really nicely done. And for the rest, of course, these are all pieces of the cockpit and of the guns. Again, wonderfully done. Some more. The kit comes with 19 sprues of plastic, so it's a big kit. It's a big airplane, so a lot of pieces. Again, here's the instrument panel. We get parts of the bomb bay, the wheels. Same thing here. Here we have the rudder setup, stabilizers, same thing here. Again, nicely done, very well rendered. Now, of course, it comes with a bomb bay. All the bombs are coming with this kit. If you want to put the bomb bay open. Anyway, here you got a full load. I think this is the wing spar, I guess, in the middle. Cockpit floor, bulkheads. Same thing here, also part of the cockpit. Look at these flaps. I think these are the flaps. Just humongous. I mean, every time, like I said, it brings a smile on my face, and when I see this. And then we get some bits and pieces here. Of course, there's a lot of. Although unfortunately you don't see much of the cockpit, I mean, and of the interior, but everything is there. The radio compartment, the bombardier's compartment, the bomb bay. So everything is in there. Then the clear parts. Very crisp, very clear. It's extra clear, very thin. So same thing, really, really well done. We got some more. We got the front turret. We got the nose section here. And then we have the decal sheet. From what I understand, the decal sheet, it will give you the opportunity of building 4 versions. I mean, I'm sorry, incorrect that. You can build 3 versions. So, and they seem to be of good quality too, so I don't think that there is anything wrong with this. If you want to build it straight out of the box. It also comes with rubber tires. I know there's a lot of, maybe some modelers out there, they're not really very happy with this, but Squadron just released their edition of the wheel. So in resin we have a couple sets coming out, or are out on the market right now, and this will be a replacement for these. Last but not least, HobbyBoss also supplied a little photo etch thread, and if I mentioned before that the engine faces looked a little bit simplistic, they saw the problem with including 4 wiring harnesses. Once you apply those to the engine faces, it really will look the part. So again, I'm very looking forward to building this kit eventually. It's large, it's big, it's huge, it's a Liberator. If you're interested and you want one of those, you can go to our website and pre-order one now. They're on our way to us. So hope you liked it. This is it for now. Jeff E here, signing off.